Those perceived by the majority as deviants or different are not on that score excluded or ostracized. This was the spirit behind the resolution of which Nehru spoke so passionately. So Section 377 will only apply in rape cases.
It's been quite a journey over 8 years. It has not been easy, it has not been smooth, and for most of this time we never dared to dream that we would win. So yeah, we are all feeling very emotional today.
Sources tell NDTV that a cautious government may not contest the verdict just yet and blame the court if protests intensify.
We need to examine the details of it.
दिया है तो उस पर संसद उसके ऊपर भी होती है, जनता उसके ऊपर भी होती है, देश समाज तमाम चीजें उसके ऊपर होती हैं. हाई कोर्ट के एक या दो जज ही सारी चीजों का निर्धारण नहीं कर सकते.
That we should amend this and not consider them as criminals. At the same time, we cannot afford to endorse homosexual behavior.
Perhaps it's appropriate to wear pink at the Delhi High Court today. The court invoked Nehru and the Constitution to rule that gay sex is not illegal, at least not in Delhi. In the capital, for NDTV, Sneha Chaudhary.
And how did our politicians react to this historic order? Well, they seem to be treading a very cautious and careful line when the cameras came on when we asked them.
From the party to the politics, the people who make the rules trying to walk a fine line on this rather politically sensitive issue. Those in power were predictably vague, not wanting to take a firm stand.
One goes through the contents of the judgment, is not fair for me to comment on.
Some were open in their opposition.
देखिए हम होमोसेक्सुअलिटी जो है उसके समर्थन में हम व्यक्तिगत रूप से नहीं हैं.
कि समलैंगिकता एक मनोविकार है, यह अप्राकृतिक है.
आज़ादी के नाम पर और बुनियादी हुकूक के नाम पर इस तरह का फैसला आना ये अफसोसनाक है.
The younger lot of MPs were a little more brave and even found support from a few old-timers.
What is the majority of the opinion? That has to be taken into account.
I think we should just let them be. Let's not get into each other's. We are all Indians. We have to learn to live and cope with what there is. I mean, at the same time, I think your values are very important.
No reason why that kind of law should continue to be in the 21st century.
After the Delhi High Court ruling, the debate to scrap Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code has gained momentum. But not everyone within the government is in favor of repealing 377. Reason? There's immense pressure from religious groups and leaders to maintain status quo, and that's the reason why the government is treading on this issue rather cautiously. In New Delhi, Sandeep Phukan, NDTV.
Now, as you saw, it's been a long and tough battle for the gay community. Prachi Butcher has more on their journey.
In the 80s and even the 90s, a victory celebration of this magnitude would have been a distant dream. But today, after the Delhi High Court verdict, what is clear is that a new voice has been given to the campaign for gay, lesbian, bisexual and transgender rights. Let's take a quick look at what the journey so far has been. A community fighting for equality and acceptance, for years hiding in square closets, revealing their true feelings only when anonymity was assured. Today, after years of battling prejudices, a celebration in the heart of the capital. Interestingly, most of those who gathered here were young, beneficiaries of a struggle that is more than 2 decades old in the country.
You know, in 1998 when Fire was released and there was a public protest at Regal, I remember the kind of stares that we got just for protesting about a film, because obviously it was on a lesbian theme.
Anjali Gopalan of the NAS Foundation has spent 8 long years campaigning for gay rights. Today she recalls how there was a time when no one was even willing to talk about it.
Growing up, I wasn't even aware of homosexuality. So for me, at a personal level, it's been a long journey of learning and understanding and learning to be tolerant and accepting.
The legal victory is only the first step. Social acceptance and changing attitudes is the next big fight. In New Delhi, Prachi Butcher for NDTV.